Ladies and gentlemen, we got a new style of fishing right here, and I just gonna demonstrate to you what's the new style. Come on, where you going, sweetie? Ladies and gentlemen, see the pan? Look at it. So, I'm going to find me a place to show you what I catch. See? This is the pond that you're going to fish in. You all people going to fish in too. See? That's Wonder Boy Pond. So now Wonder Boy going to show you my catch. You gotta look at this, ladies and gentlemen. Wonder Boy turn a real fisherman, ladies and gentlemen. Look. See? One. See? They're still jumping, ladies and gentlemen. See them? See? In just a hour, ladies and gentlemen, look at it. 1 hour. They call these the African perch. See? When you fry them, ladies and gentlemen, they eat good. See them? Look. In space of hour, ladies and gentlemen, they still jumping. They're still alive, ladies and gentlemen. Look at them. This is African perch. You don't go nowhere, right in the backyard. See? African perch. Don't go nowhere, see it? See it, ladies and gentlemen? Nowhere. So this is what Wonder Boy catch in space an hour, see? Come on, where you going, sweetie? Look at it. All fresh and nice. So you can bring 10, 20 people. You can eat off the 2 hours worth of fish. Catching fish if you can't catch a fish. But ladies and gentlemen, if you can't catch fish, you will come here and you don't catch one. And don't blame Wonder Boy, because they are there. So look at it. Is it this nice? So I'm gonna fry 2 for my dinner, ladies and gentlemen. That's all I need, 2. See? So I want you to like this video, share, subscribe. Big up Wonder Boy. And peace out.